See, menstrual cycle is something which we have to adapt and live with every month. That only gives us the example that our health is good. Women are lucky that they have these hormones which keeps us very healthy and our moods under control, and everything is so gentle and nice, and the whole femininity comes from the hormones of it. But along with it comes this 4 to 5 days ordeal of the menstrual cycle, which will be there, which is normal, which is shedding of the endometrial lining. So, how do we contain it, control it, so that our social life does not get this thing, and also help us save ourselves? The increase in the some certain diseases in today's time is because of the endocrine disrupting chemicals that is coming from the plastics. One of the most commonest cause of this is the dioxins and the PCBs, and especially dioxins which are being produced by the plastics. The proximity of the plastics to the genital tract is the common reason why we see increase in the increased estrogen, or the endometriosis which is increasing, and the PCOS and the endometrial cancers which are increasing. So, how to avoid these sanitary napkins which are having the plastic linings, and then what are the better alternatives we have? Nowadays, we do have menstrual cups, which is very good, where we can be silicone based cups, which can be just clasped into the vaginal cavity and then collects the whole blood for the whole day, and then you can wash it and reuse it. The second thing what we can use is the natural the sanitary napkins which do not have a bleached cotton or the plastics in it. So, when you have this organic sanitary napkins which are reusable or usable, that would be the second best alternative which we have. So, opt something which is whichever is closer to the vagina or the uterine tract. Use something which is healthier, which will not produce any infection or the contaminants which have. When I say infection, tampons when you are using, that is the closest, and if it is not changed at regular intervals, or it is forgotten, that can lead to staphylococcal infection. It can be really deadly, and it can also lose life. So, be careful with what you are doing with your system.